going to show you how to do a 3 double crochet cluster. Okay, this is a really beautiful stitch to learn to be able to do it with in bralettes or all different kinds of projects. So I'm going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm just going to do a row of single crochet to have a base. I'm going to crochet one more so we can go into the second stitch and just single crochet along here just to make a base to do our 3 double crochet clusters in. I'm using an H hook and 4-weight yarn for this. This is actually Karen Simply Soft. So we single crochet across just to make a little foundation row there to work into when we do our 3 double crochet clusters. So that's it. Now we're going to chain 2, and I might start off with just a double crochet at the first stitch here, and now I'm going to do a cluster. Okay, so to do a 3 double crochet cluster, we yarn over and start a double crochet like that. We pull the yarn through, but instead of going through all the way, we're just going to go through 2, and then we're going to put the yarn over and put it into the same stitch, yarn over and pull it through and go through 2. Now we have 3 on our hook. Yarn over, put it into the same stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over and go through 2. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on our hook. We put the yarn over and we pull it through 4 and we chain it to finish it off. Okay, so we'll do another one. We can actually chain 1 and we'll skip 1 and we'll do it into the next one. So we've put the yarn over the hook, we're putting it into the stitch, there's 2 loops on there, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through 2, yarn over, insert the hook back into the same stitch, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through 2, yarn over and put it into the same stitch and yarn over and pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 and chain. And that is the 3, you can see 1, 2, 3 double crochets in a cluster. Okay, a little quick tutorial for you. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Maybe hit like and also click on the little button so you'll receive a notification for any new tutorials on stitches or crochet projects. Thank you very much.